Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please continue to post your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Also, the iReady diagnostic window has been extended just a couple of more days. If any of your students were not able to complete the diagnostics last week, please make sure they get this done ASAP. Uniform policy. If a student comes into the building with a non-uniform outerwear, they will need to remove it. At no time should a student be allowed to wear a hoodie on their head. If they are wearing a uniform solid color jacket sweatshirt that has a hood, they may tuck the hood into the back. Remember, our solid color sweatshirts or jackets must be gray, black, or navy. Those are the acceptable uniform colors, gray, black, and navy. Late duty today is Miss Moore, tomorrow is Miss Bertolino, and Friday is Miss Simley. Next week, we have up to deck Miss Stowe, Miss Shaver, Miss Weaver, Miss Tarver, and Miss Tompkins. A few more announcements. Mid-quarter progress reports. The district will export all grades from Schoology on September 9th. All grades must be entered prior to this date. Progress reports will be printed on September 12th. Please make sure your grades are up to date and accurate in Schoology. You should have multiple grades for each subject at this point in the quarter. Once this export takes place, there will not be the option to enter or correct grades for grade reports. Also, teachers, please make sure that you are either printing a weekly gradebook for each course or you keep an electronic copy each week just in case. Important dates. Friday, we have our Grandparents' Day lunch and Kona Ice. September 9th is also phonics first deadline and all grades must be entered. September 12th, progress reports will be printed. We will have a faculty meeting and all mandatory district trainings in Vector must be complete. September 4th is a mandatory reporting PD during your planning period. Also, Allokids deadline. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, No School Teacher Work Day. We have our Grandparents' Day lunch on Friday. Make sure you notice the times for those. We have our Kona Ice coming on Friday, so students, make sure you are getting prepared for that. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.